operator. So whatever you are learning, right, this operator, another thing, this is the common for other programming also. Definitely you will see. Okay, these are the common for all the programming. Okay, so if you are a beginner, if you know one programming well, then other programming will become easy. So operator are a mathematical and logical computation. The assignment operator, like we are using the assignment operator, assign the value. So where we are assigning the value. The addition operator, that is add the value. But for this plus operator we have a multiple use also. We can concat, I will show you also. The multiplication operator means multiply the value, and now we have a comparison operator, compare the value. So this is called JavaScript assignment. Okay, so when the assignment operator, so this plus, so the equal this is called equal operator, this equal sign is called assignment operator, to assign a value to a variable. For example, so in this example, when I will type and I will show you, so the value will assign from like this. Okay, so this is a storing here, that is what we have written, assign a value to 5 to x. 5 to x means this 5 to x, assign the value to by 2 means 2 to y, means 2 to y, the value will assign this. So this is called assignment operator. Okay, if someone will say can you assign this value, so this is how we will uh, assigning using the double, not double equal operator, equal operator. I will tell you also different types of the operator also. Okay, and this addition one, right, so we have a JavaScript addition. So the addition operator add two numbers. So here it looks like a very easy, but here we are performing two operator. We have one is your assignment operator and one is your, you know, let x. So we are assigning the value. Okay, and now again let by, again we are assigning the value, and here we are trying to use plus operator also, an assignment operator also. So here x plus y, x plus y. So we have done assignment also. And this is your chat. So now you are clear about how, what is the assignment and plus operator. But plus operator we have any another usage also, I will tell you. Okay, so simply it's adding the value, nothing we have, but yeah, concept wise we have a many thing. Now we have a JavaScript multiplication. Okay, so multiplying the JavaScript, multiplying the value. Okay, so we will use this sign. Okay, so just you can check once. This is the one time practice, you guys can do it, but concept you remember. So if someone will ask you in the interview, you are able to explain them. So this will multiply simply. Okay, types of JavaScript operator. So we have a arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, and logical operator. These are the types. Few of them I already shown you. Okay, JavaScript arithmetic operator. Okay, so arithmetic operator are used to perform arithmetic on number. Okay, and if you guys, if I will, okay, I'll keep like this. No issue. Later I will send you this all the code also. X equal to, okay, 100 plus 50 into 2. Okay, and now console.log. So you guys can tell me what is the output. What is the output?
300.
300.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, this is the simple mathematics. So if you have a this small bracket, right? So first it will have a addition, then multiplication. Okay. So what is the syntax? And now what is the output?
200.
200. Correct, right? So these are the basics thing you have to like this is the simple mathematics we already know, but yeah, we are also applying same thing in programming. So we have a different types of the operator. This is addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponential, okay, and this is your division, modulo, increment and decrement. These are the operator we use frequently. Okay, so we'll have some example also. Okay, fine. So we have already one of the confusing topic that is called a string. Okay, but yeah, while doing the practice we already even we have done this all the practice earlier, but we are going to focus on this operator. Okay, so plus operator can also use to add concat the string. So also we'll do for the concatenation. We already explain you, but let me type this code also, no issue. Text one. Mm, and did you observe guys, I'm using all the let keyword because we are changing this value, so that's why. Okay. Like, so the example I'm showing you, it's small, this program will help you later. Okay, text, we are concatenating this, giving the another one of the string, and you know a string you can define with double quotes, single quotes also, but I'll show you in the Java Playwright where you can use double quotes and single quotes. Okay, and now you can print this text. Okay, and now so it will concat this. So if you will give the here a space also, so it will give the space. Okay, so this is how you can concat with to a string. I'll just copy this code and I will add some new syntax. Right, script code. Okay, so you can concat means this syntax and this syntax is also same. Okay, so I'll concat with this can just remove this all and printing this. So you can also write like this. Okay, so this is also means with this variable I am concatenating with another a string. Okay, so that's all. So you can write like this also. Another variable I did not means I did not use one more variable here. The same variable directly I concat with this, and many times if you see in the console we are writing like this, the same thing, right? Like this we were writing now sometime. Okay, so but here we are giving the equal, so you can also add here equal, some not here, here equal, or you can print this. Just we were already use this, but I'm showing you separately. Okay, so this value equal to this is the value we are printing. So these are the value, this is, and this is your a string, and this is the concat. We are doing the concat operation here. Okay, so do not confuse this. If you will do the practice one and two times, you will get clarity. So you can see now text equal to, you can see this is the, we are printing the on the console text equal to I love to write JavaScript code. Okay. Next era is JavaScript, guys. So even Python and Python is a different level, but in automation testing, next era is JavaScript, and you guys have started to learn JavaScript is your good decision. Okay, because coming days, um, JavaScript will rule in the market. Okay, so addition, adding the string and number. So uh, even I already shown you this example and all, but let me revise this, no issue. Adding two number will return the sum of the number like this, but if you will have any string, then it will return a string. Okay, so let me, I'll show you one example only. So if this is the number, okay, but if we will use double means I can say uh, double quotes, right? So that will become the string. So let by equal to, I will try to cover all the basics topic in this week. Let's see. If not next week, one more week, then I will start your playwright. Then after that, few more topic will be pending for your JavaScript. We will explore later. Okay. So if I will go for all the JavaScript topic, it will take a lot of time. Okay. And console. What is the value of X, Y, and Z? What is the value of X and what is the value of Y?
X10, Y55, and Z hello 5.
Y will be 55. See again.
Yeah,
This is the string, right? So
yeah.
it will directly concat this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It would, because only number will return the number. Okay.
Okay.
Only number will return the number. If you adding with number with any a string, okay, in the double quotes what we are writing, it will
Mm-hmm.
become the string. So it will directly concat this value. It will not return the number. It will return a string only. Okay.
Okay.
So let me run this. You can see now. By equal to 10, sorry, x equal to 10 by double 5, because it is concatenating and it will return the string type this. And you can see this is here also it is concatenating. So when you will use double equal, means double quotes. Okay, so it will directly concat this value. Okay, so